In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Google Vids. Google Vids, a part of the suite of tools offered by Google Workspace, is a great platform for video management and sharing. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just looking to edit personal videos, knowing how to effectively zoom in on your videos can be a real game changer. So let's dive into how you can do this seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Vids. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Vids website. Once you're there, you're going to see a homepage that's fairly straightforward, displaying various Google Vids features and perhaps some promotional content. But don't let that distract you. The real magic happens once you're logged in. Speaking of logging in, that's our very next step. Look for the sign in option, which should be quite visible on the website. Clicking on it will start your journey into making the most out of Google Vids. Now, if you're already a Google user, which chances are you might be, you'll find this step quite familiar. Google's ecosystem is interconnected, so your Google account is your golden ticket here. Click on sign in and get ready for the next step. Once selecting to sign in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with the content you plan to work on. This is crucial because all your work, settings, and preferences are tied to your account. So, making the right choice here sets the stage for a smoother experience down the line. After you've successfully signed in, it's time to get down to business zooming in your video. Here's where the intuitive design of Google Vids truly shines. Look for the zoom icon in the ribbon. This is your tool for all things zoom. The icon should be fairly easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, remember it's designed to represent the action you wish to take, zooming in. A little magnifying glass with a plus sign is what you're looking for. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, actually zooming in. With your video open and ready, navigate to that zoom icon you located earlier. Here's the fun part. A simple left click on the icon will do the trick. Yes, it's that easy. Every left click zooms you further in, allowing you to focus on the details in your video content that matter most. Whether you're editing for precision or simply want a closer look at your work, this feature is designed to accommodate your needs. A few pro tips to make your zooming experience even better. Remember, zooming in is a great tool, but it's also powerful. Use it wisely to enhance your video's storytelling, focus on critical elements, or simply get a better view of your content during the editing process. And don't worry if you go too far, navigating back is just as simple. Google Vids is designed to be user-friendly, so you always have control over your content. In conclusion, Google Vids offers an intuitive and straightforward way to zoom in on your videos, enhancing your editing capabilities, and allowing you to focus on the finer details of your content. From signing in with your Google account to finding and using the zoom icon, each step is designed to be seamless and efficient. And remember, a little zoom can go a long way in transforming your video content into something truly special. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into Google Vids with confidence and let your creativity zoom to new heights.